If you want to add a footnote in LibreOffice Writer, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Footnotes are perfect when you want to add extra information, citations, or references without cluttering the main body of your document. Whether you're working on an essay, report, assignment, or any other type of document, this quick method will save you time and make your work look more professional. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tutorials just like this. Let's start by opening LibreOffice. If you already have it installed, launch the program from your computer. Once LibreOffice opens, you can either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document where you want to add the footnote. If you are starting fresh, click on a new Writer document and begin typing your content first. If you already have a document ready, just open it and scroll to the section where you need the footnote. Now, place your cursor exactly where you want the footnote number to appear in the text. This is important because LibreOffice will insert the footnote reference at the position of your cursor. So, for example, if you want the footnote to appear after a sentence or at the end of a statement, click right after that word or punctuation mark. Once the cursor is in the right spot, you're ready for the next step. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains many tools for adding different elements into your document, including images, tables, symbols, and more. From the Insert menu, look for Footnote and Endnote. Hover over it or click it, and then choose Footnote. As soon as you select it, LibreOffice Writer will automatically create the footnote reference number in your text and move your cursor to the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the footnote area where you can type your footnote text. This is where you write the extra explanation, source, citation, or note you want to include. Just type your footnote content normally, and LibreOffice will keep the formatting connected to the reference number in your main text. The footnote reference and the footnote text are linked automatically, so you don't have to number anything manually. If you want to add more footnotes later, just repeat the same process. Place your cursor where you want the next footnote. Go back to Insert, choose Footnote and Endnote, and then click Footnote again. LibreOffice will continue numbering them for you automatically, which keeps everything organized and consistent throughout your document. This is one of the easiest ways to make your documents look more polished and academic, especially if you need to reference sources or add supporting information. It also helps keep your main text clean while still giving readers access to extra details at the bottom of the page. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Writer, place your cursor where you want the footnote number, click Insert, select Footnote and Endnote, choose Footnote, and then type your footnote text at the bottom of the page. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next LibreOffice guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.